Yes, yes. Your use of coal you are pointing out by power plants.
Issue number 2 हमारे first coming.
But that is not the only reason, Mr. Kumar. Yes, it may be one of the reason, but it's not. Blanket ban as a knee-jerk reaction may not be a prudent step unless you have an alternate. And what is the cost effectivity of that alternate?
That's it.
No, that is, but
Like, you know,
pollution
if construction is banned, if construction is banned, you know, lakhs of people also go hungry because you know, immediately there is stoppage of their employment. All the contractual workers, they have no work for 5 months.
it's impossible.
Whether there's carpenters, etc.
Followings were the emission sectors identified by domain experts like IIT, stroke, TE, etc. Dash 1I, dash 1I, transport. Second, industrial stack. P, industrial area in bracket power plants. Next, domestic burning. Then solid waste burning. Road dust. Construction stroke demolition. Hotels stroke restaurants. And lastly, others. The report reveals that expert bodies were at variance so far as the share in causing AQI issue, AQI problem, so far as the proportionate contribution of each of these sources in worsening the AQI in NCR. So, for example, the transport as an emission sector was attributed 12 to 41%, 12% to 41% by different experts. Next paragraph. What were the long-term any steps taken after this report?
So, my lords, this is the policy, and we are, my lords, issuing orders, my lords. So far, we have issued how many? 95 directions have been.
See also enlist the measures which have been taken from time to time. The AQI issue, nevertheless, AQI issue problem in NCR, Delhi NCR, nevertheless, is still persisting, if not aggravating. this court has, next paragraph, this court has been taking up the matter intermittently and based upon the reports, stroke advice or stroke opinion of different experts as well as Londonmicus, certain directions have also been issued from time to time. That's right. It was in that context and after taking notice of the worsening conditions of AQI in the NCR region that the statutory expert body, namely CAQM, was asked to revisit some long-term measures to address the issues illustratively highlighted in para 6 of our order dated 17th December 2025. Next paragraph. In the aforesaid order, the additional issues like temporary suspension of the 9 toll plazas in Delhi, as suggested by NHAI.
Let's MCD toll plazas. So they're different.
Yeah.
In MCD toll.
Established by MCD and as suggested by NHAI were also highlighted. And response from the concerned quarters was sought. Next paragraph. As usual, Municipal Corporation of Delhi, instead of coming with any viable solution, has filed an affidavit defending the toll plazas as an important source of its revenue and taking all possible pleas to allow it to continue with the toll booths.
Reduces pollution.
Next paragraph. Gurugram Metropolitan Development Authority has also now jumped into this list and has moved an application seeking direction to Municipal Corporation of Delhi to apportion 50% of the ECC generated at Razokdi Toll Plaza in bracket on NH number 48 and at Village Hall, Gurugram. GMDA has given its own reasons, has given its own justification for apportionment of the toll collection.
No, this ECC goes to the Delhi government, who is not represented here.
But they don't have the authority to dispose it
Look,
off.
the responsibilities of the court.
It
Manoj.
is not Delhi government's money, I'm sorry.
It's not Delhi government money.
No, but it does not come, I don't get it. Therefore, we're not filing an application against a party who does not get the money is
That money is governed by your lordships, nobody else. ECC, we are talking about ECC.
yes.
Where is for ECC?
Vehicles which enter Delhi.
CAQM
not meant for rural.
So my list to say, so list to say carefully. CAQM has instead of bringing any concrete plan